people out of the way, just shout.
Yeah.
Well, don't move.
Okay.
Well, something's going to get hit. Look at that. That's definitely something's going to get hit. Not you. No, you'll be all right. You sitting in that digger? Yeah. Oh, you'll be fine. He's going to get hit. John's made a great ramp here. It's quite tall. I mean, I'm 6'2" and it's well above me. Yeah, we've had that bouncy castle about 10 years, 8 years, but you have to have 2 blows and it's full of holes and it's knackered, so that's going. We'll have a cameraman in there, we'll have one up there. We've got cameras scattered about everywhere. Put cameras in the cars. It's going to be good. Got a really long run up. Are you proud of that ramp, John?
It's good ramp, huh? I'm trying to get the assistance.
Oh, that's going fast! Yeah! It cleared it! Oh. Oh, it seems keen on revving up. Well, John, your first car jump, how do you feel?
I feel lucky, man.
Talk me through it.
Straight in the centre, I can't believe that. I really can't. All the way up to that.
I mean, that's a long way up in the air, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, I'm going to run a tape over that later because I'd just love to see.
It's got to be 30 foot.
Yeah, yeah.
But
I mean, I think that's the 40. Imagine a 40-foot container. I mean, I hit the other side of that.
yeah, it didn't. It just touched it with a glance.
Yeah.
Absolutely touched it with a glance.
That jump.
I'm so
really
chuffed with that.
Yeah,
Got to be proud of that. That could be a winning jump, I think. Let's do another one.
Oh, good one. Well done.
Oh, that's going to hit the caravan. Yes! Go, 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 go. Oh, yeah, the bouncy castle took a direct hit. Will it survive it? No. It's going down. Oh, no, it's going.
Bouncy castle's stuck in it. Yeah! And it went over the edge.
I finished top
3. Right, Dad, it's your go. How are you feeling?
I reckon I'm going to hit all 3. I really do. I've lined this up perfectly to hit the caravan, the car, and the castle. And I'll win it. I reckon it's going to be good. I'm excited. I've got a Land Rover and a Land Rover. It's going to be fantastic. You excited? You coming with me?
Yeah.
Let's get in there.
standstill if he jumped. Oh, Anton. That was a goodie. That was definitely the best one. Hey, well done. Turn it off before it blows up.
Meanwhile, heading towards Freeland.
Just got it, I think.
Yeah, car's dead.
You tell me when we're ready.
I'm ready.
Come on! She's going, Nick, she's going!
Going.
Oh, we went as well! I might be able to drive off from there. Oh, shit! Yeah, there's good. That'll make good pictures from where it stands, I think. There we go!
Fucking, if you open that door, I can go over.
No, it's fine.
What's going on here?
Come on, Nick.
I hope he's not going to go with it.
You better not.
He is. He is. Oh.
No, oh.
Andrew!
Is that? I think it's the sort of thing they use to.
Well, we've got a lot of smashed up cars. Some ones that flew a long way. The caravan's lost its newness a bit. The ramp took a bit of an impact from the wrong side. That ramp was perfect though.